Hi guys, I've just sat down to edit the second part of the Absolute Beginners series looking at the English Electric Lightning here. And I've realised I made a classic boo-boo. What I've done is, in the process of swapping over computers, I've got myself a new computer, I've accidentally deleted all the video files for the next part, and unfortunately I've emptied the trash and I don't think there's any way of retrieving it. So sorry guys for all two of you that were watching and hoping to see the next part. What I will do is I'll grab another kit and just start again. This is my first attempt at YouTube, really, so you always learn from your mistakes, and so I certainly will be learning from this one. Certainly not to delete video files when you might be needing them. So guys, I'm going to pop some pictures of the finished model at the end of this video, just have a quick look, and I'll see you next time when hopefully we won't be deleting stuff. Alright, so see you soon.